it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, honey. In the car with y'all today, okay? We are in the car. So today I wanted to go ahead and give you guys this YouTube video. I partnered with Shein to do the Your Style Evolution collab campaign, whatever. And I did not realize that I was supposed to do a YouTube video, so that caused me to have to multitask, okay? Because your girl been working. Like, I am back in my nursing bag. I got on all my little pink scrubs. But anyways, I digress, which my scrubs are from Shein too, mind you, and the hat. But I digress. So I decided to do this campaign because you guys know my Virgo gang, me and my husband's birthdays are about to come up, and we are going on vacay. So a lot of the outfits that I picked out for this particular campaign were purely based on the fact that we are going on vacation. So I wanted some vacation fits. So yeah, but I wanted them to be at an affordable price. I remember seeing somebody post that going out the country and Shein fits are crazy. No, baby. No. Not going out the country with expensive fits, to me, is crazy. Okay, it's crazier, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what you think down below, because honey, if I'm gonna blow a bag on my trip, I don't want to also blow another bag on my clothes. I just don't. She won't. Okay, especially when I can still be cute on a budget. Come on, somebody. Okay, that may just be the frugal Virgo in me, but y'all let me know what y'all think about that down below in the comments. But anyways, y'all, so let's get into these fits. I want y'all to let me know down below what's your favorite outfit. Which one do you like the most? Sound off down below in the comments which one you would wear. All the things. Also, if you want to check out my reel, not my reel, well, you can check out my reel on IG of this, because I did basically reality versus online. I did that, as well as you can check it out on my shorts, like whichever one you prefer, honey. Check it out. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we can go ahead and get into this video. All right, y'all, so the first little fit is this cute yellow jumper. Now, honestly, I didn't know how it went, so I ended up tying it, but you don't have to tie it. I did see on the model that she did not tie hers, so I tied mine, but honestly, I think I like it better untied. I do want to go ahead and mention that this jumper is see-through. It's not like crazy see-through, but you can, baby, you can see through it a little bit, okay? So be cautious with that. It is a little halter top sort of number. You can just, is that a halter? What is that called? What is that called when it's just, baby, my brain is gone. But you guys see how it is. It's strapless. How about that? It's completely strapless. So yeah, but it's an easy throw on, go and slay, and it's very like light. Even though it's long pants, I feel like it's still something that you can wear on vacation, because it is a very light, sort of airy fit. And yeah, it's super cute. I don't know the material it is made out of, honey. Check down below in the description box the link, and you can go there, and they have all the specifications about this particular fit. Most of these outfits I'm going to be showing you guys is from their Slaydiva store, and I do have the ID number listed below as well in the description box. But yeah, so I was definitely feeling this. If I'm not mistaken, it does come in other colors, so yeah, y'all check that out. Moving on. Now this one is super cute. It low-key gave me like classy vibes. From my understanding, my husband said that the resort that we are going to be staying in, that we basically have to make dinner reservations to eat at certain places. Well, I want to say at the main restaurant. So I feel like outfits like this is, you know, still vacation attire, but it also has like a classiness to it. It may just be me, but I feel like this one has a little bit of classy to it. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. But yeah, I was thinking that this one would be one of the ones that I would wear to dinner or something like that. So very cute. That's that one. Moving on. All right, honey, so this one is actually a halter top. Baby, I don't know what I was thinking about, but this little fit is a halter top, and to me, this one does still give the vacay vibes, all the vibes, girl. because it's a short set, I feel like, honey, it is good for me to wear on excursions and stuff, baby. Maybe not mud riding and none of the dirty stuff, because, honey, it is all white, but it is good, you know, just for any outdoor activities, because it is, you know, sleeveless and it's short. So for this one, I just feel like it is good for all the daytime activities that we may or may not be doing. But yeah, so that's outfit number 3. Yes, that's outfit number 3. Alright, so the number 4 outfit is also another white outfit. I didn't realize that I had actually gotten 3 white outfits. I am going through a phase where I love like a lighter sort of colors. Baby, she will be still wearing white after Labor Day. Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? Because I am. She is. But anyways, this one was super cute. This little Bandeau top. I decided to get this, and I was pleasantly surprised. I'm not gonna hold you now. It is a Bandeau top. So basically, when I took it out of the packaging, I don't know what I expected it to be, but honey, it was nothing but like a long piece of fabric. And I'm like, say what? Hold on. I had to go back, look at the picture, and say what again? What am I supposed to do? Shout out to YouTube, okay? Shout out to YouTube Shorts for showing me how to tie this thing, because honey, your girl was struggling. But once I got it all tied up and cute, baby, definitely one of my faves. Super, super lightweight, super, super airy. I could wear this as a daytime fit, as long as I'm not doing a bunch of, you know, moving around, jumping up and down and all that stuff. I don't know how comfortable I would be wearing something like that, jumping around. I don't know. But it seemed like it was in place. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Have you ever tied your own, tied a Bandeau top or whatever? Am I saying that right? Y'all know I'm country. I could be wrong. So, yeah, let me know down below. Will it stay? Because I know my husband is going to be asking these questions. So I'm asking y'all, okay? Will it stay? Even though I like it, I don't know if it'll stay. So, yeah, y'all let me know. So this pink jumpsuit, I was really, really excited about it. But when I took it out, it was very, very see-through. I didn't quite feel like it looked like it did on the model. I feel like the color on the model was more so of a darker pink. As we all know, you know, camera lighting and all cameras lightings, all those things does affect the color of certain fits. I just thought it was going to be a darker pink, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the site. But yeah, it wasn't. It wasn't a darker pink. It's a super light pink that is low-key sort of see-through. Child, hold on, I gotta pay attention, y'all. Give me a second. All right, so I'm back. So yeah, it's very see-through, if I'm not mistaken. Now, when I first put it on, I was like, child, what in the world? But when I added the belt, it definitely gave it a little something more. But surprisingly enough, this is my least favorite outfit from this particular haul. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you like it. Yeah, just let me know down below what y'all think about the pink jumpsuit. All right, so this next fit I didn't necessarily get for vacation. I don't know. I've just been on this like tennis skirt sort of vibe here lately. Like, it's almost like every time I see one, I feel like I need to get it. Like, I don't know. Should I go play tennis? Should I go golf? Don't the golf girlies wear that too? I don't know, but I have been, every time I see one, I just have to get it. The problem is, a lot of times in the back, baby, even though it's shorts underneath those skirts, baby, my butt cheek is hanging out. Okay, so I won't be able to wear that into it. Honey, my husband don't play them games. He don't play those games. But the fit is cute. Just be aware that your butt may be out, okay? Your butt may, I don't even have a big butt. Like, it don't toot up or nothing. Like, so if it's showing on me, it's probably going to show on the majority of us, okay? So just keep that in mind with that. Even though it's cute, it's a look, it's a vibe, all things. Yeah. So this next outfit is honestly just the skirt. Just the shirt. Just not the skirt, not the undershirt, just the shirt that's on top. Honestly, y'all, this shirt is really cute to me, but in my opinion, it is not age appropriate. Not for me, not for she, not for I. This honestly looks like something that one of my daughters would wear. So, and once I went back and I noticed that it did say like sort of like back to school. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, yeah, that's fitting. So it's a very cute shirt, but I won't be wearing her, okay? Yeah, I highly doubt I'll be wearing her. So along with this skirt that I won't be wearing. So yeah, I think I'm definitely going to give it to one of the girls and they can wear it. But it is really, really cute. It just, in my opinion, is not age appropriate for 36, almost 37-year-old me. But y'all can let me know down below in the comments. It just didn't feel appropriate. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Am I overthinking this thing or what? Let me know down below. Alright, y'all. So this next fit is this super cute orange dress that I was feeling on the model. I got all these, and I do want to go ahead and say that because I didn't say it in the beginning. I got all of these outfits in a large. I never know how stuff is going to fit me because I am such a broad person. Like, a lot of times I can wear a medium, but I do like to be more safe than sorry, especially if it's like a button up, a one piece, you know, stuff like that. I just go for the large because like I said, I don't know how stuff is going to fit me. I'm broad. I have, even though I had a breast reduction, I still have, you know, rather large boobs that won't let me button certain things up. That really, really drives me crazy. So yeah, this dress, to me, I should have gotten in a medium. I still think the dress is a very beautiful dress. I just don't have the bottom for it. Like, I just feel like you need a little more hips, a little more butt. Well, I feel like it wouldn't look as bad if I had it in a medium. But in this large, it made me feel like, girl, you look super heavy at the top and real skinny and real skinny at the bottom. I ain't like it. Okay, I ain't like it. But still, y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Okay, y'all. So finally, we are at the last fit. So this fit, I thought I was gonna really, really like it. I love how it looked on the model. But once again, it's like one of those things with the whole broadness, my shoulders, everything. I just didn't like how I looked. I felt like it accentuated what I don't want to accentuate, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. I did not like it. I wore it out. Me and my husband went to the Mexican restaurant, and baby, he loved it. Honey, you couldn't tell that man I ain't look good in that fit. Actually, I think it was one of his favorites out of this haul. His absolute favorite was the yellow. But I think this was still one of his favorites. And honey, the way he was acting, heck, I fell in love with it. So now it's one of my favorites as well, okay? Because honey, he made me feel like I was a little snack, okay? So yeah, I like it after all. I do love these sort of two-piece sets anyway. I just think they're super fun and cute, and I love an outfit that I don't have to put together. I'm lazy like that, y'all. Okay, I am a two-piece set, what do they call it? I'm gonna say two-piece set type of girl. So yeah, I really, really ended up liking this particular fit. And I feel like it definitely gives vacation vibes with those pants. Like, those pants just give vacation to me. So yeah, that is the last fit. All right, y'all, so that concludes this Shein haul. Once again, I want to know down below, what is y'all favorite fit? Which one would you wear? What is more your style? Sound off down below in the comments. Let me know. Once again, shout out to you, Shein, for sending me all of these fits. I really, truly do appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you love us next time. Bye. Not every style.